We're whipping up a rapid turkey satay stir fry that promises to whisk you off to a busy Thai street food market in less than 15 minutes. Loaded with protein-packed turkey, crisp and crunchy veggies, and a tantalizing peanut sauce, this dish is your ticket to a fast yet fabulous midweek Thai food feast. Hey, I'm your chef Scott Baptiste and welcome back to my Food for Fitness kitchen. Now this turkey satay recipe that I'm going to show you how to make today is probably one of the easiest recipes that we've ever made on the channel before. You literally just fry off the veg and the meat, bung in the sauce ingredients, cook it down, and boom, it's ready. I honestly do not know how you could make a satay recipe any easier. But you know something? It may be extremely easy to make, but it doesn't skimp on flavour in the slightest. Right, let's go cook. So the first thing we're going to do is to heat some coconut oil in a wok on a high heat, and we're going to add turkey breast steaks or chicken breast chopped up, whatever you prefer, and then season it with black pepper. And you want to fry that for a few minutes until it is pretty much cooked through and it starts to go golden on the outside and crisp up a little, and you know that there are no longer any pink bits in it. Then you're going to add in some mange two or snow peas, as they're known in America, along with some spring onions, and then fry that again for a couple of minutes. You still want the veggies to be quite crisp. You don't want them to be cooked all the way and soggy and limp and horrible. Just keep it nice and crisp. We are trying to make a nice stir fry here. And then add equal measures of garlic and ginger, along with one fresh chili. You can keep the seeds in it if you're a hero, or remove them like me if you don't want your mouth to go on fire. And then fry that for a further 30 seconds or so. Also, at this point in the video, it'd be fantastic if you could click that like button. It really does help me out with the growth of the channel, and it just means more people can see it. Add your water and fish sauce, which is a key ingredient in Thai cookery, along with your crunchy peanut butter. If you don't have crunchy peanut butter, smooth will do, but I think having the little bits of nuts in it makes it more interesting. But then you want to add that and just allow the peanut butter to melt and cover everything with this beautiful, silky, peanutty sauce. And that is it, my friends. I mean, how easy. All you need to do then is just plate it up and garnish with the green bits of some spring onion. So there we have it. Rapid turkey, chicken, satay, whatever you decided to use. And you saw how quick that was. Honestly, I think that's the fastest recipe we've ever done on this channel. So it's so good if you need something midweek. Anyway, here's the usual stuff that people say on YouTube. Click like, leave a comment, let me know how you find it, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future high protein recipes. Anyway, I'm going to go and eat this. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll speak to you later.